Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our third chapter, that is fiber to fabric. Before starting this chapter, you have to know about what you mean by fibers, how many types of fibers are there, why do we need clothes, how fibers are helpful for us. Let's start with importance of clothes. Why clothes are important for us. First, the clothes protect us from heat. जो भी गर्मी होती है, अगर हम कपड़े पहन लेते हैं तो वो जो क्लोथ होता है वो हमको क्या करता है, हीट से प्रोटेक्ट करता है. सेकंड, इट प्रोटेक्ट अस फ्रॉम कोल्ड. कोल्ड से कैसे प्रोटेक्ट करेगा? व्हेन देयर इज कोल्ड हम क्या करते हैं, वी वेयर स्वेटर्स एंड ऑल शॉल्स एंड एक्सेट्रा. तो clothes also helps us to protect from cold. क्लोथ हेल्प अस टू लुक नाइस एंड डिसेंट. जितने अच्छे हमारे कपड़े में बोलते हैं ना कि जो कपड़े होते हैं वो इंसान को उसकी पर्सनैलिटी को इम्प्रूव करते हैं, उसकी पर्सनैलिटी को बताते हैं. तो द इम्पॉर्टेंस ऑफ क्लोथ्स आर they protect us from heat, they protect us from cold, and they make us look nice and decent. But how these clothes are forming, clothes कैसे बनते हैं? So to understand this, we'll start from the word fiber. What do you mean by fiber? Fiber is a material which is available in the form of thin and continuous strand. In your sixth class, you have already learned about fibers and the types of fibers. Fibers is also known as a thread-like structure. It is the thread-like structure, a very thin string of any material which is continuously long, continuously strand. So a material which is available in the form of thin and continuous strand इज कॉल्ड फाइबर. एक पतला सा धागा जो कि लंबा होता है उसको हम बोलते हैं फाइबर. बिकॉज दिस फाइबर वैन लूम एंड नीटेड इट इज़ यूजफुल टू वेयर और टू फॉर्म क्लोथ्स. जो ये फाइबर होता है इसी को जब हम लूमिंग करते हैं, इसी की जब हम वीविंग करते हैं, इसको सिलते हैं, उसके बाद हम क्या करते हैं, क्लोथ्स का फॉर्मेशन करते हैं या क्लोथ्स मेक करते हैं. तो फाइबर इज अ थ्रेड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर. इट इज़ अ कंटिन्यूस स्ट्रैंड ऑफ अ मटेरियल. Next, there are two types of fiber. First is natural fiber and second is man-made or a synthetic fiber. Now, the types of fibers. There are two types of fibers. We have already seen in our first slide. First is natural fiber and second is man-made or a synthetic fiber. First, we'll discuss about what you mean by natural fibers. The fibers which are obtained directly from the plants or the animals are called natural fiber. Means if we gain any fiber or any strand directly from any animal or any plant or naturally, then that type of fiber is known as natural fiber. Means जो भी फाइबर है वो हमको डायरेक्टली या तो हमको किसी पेड़ से मिल जाएगा या किसी एनिमल से मिल जाएगा, मतलब हमको डायरेक्टली वो नेचर से मिल रहा है, तो उस फाइबर को हम बोलेंगे नेचुरल फाइबर. Like examples, cotton, jute, silk, wool. Like cotton हमको cotton का जो tree होता है उससे मिलता है. Jute will get from the stem of the tree. Silk will get from the silkworms and wool will get from the sheep. Okay, so these are all the examples of natural fiber. Next is man-made fiber or the synthetic fiber. Man-made मतलब ऐसे फाइबर्स जो कि मैन के द्वारा मेक किए जाते हैं, मतलब ह्यूमन बींग्स उनको बनाती है, और दे आर synthesized in laboratory or in the factories, so they are also known as synthetic fiber. They are synthesized in factories. So the fibers which are synthesized in laboratories or factories are known as man-made fibers or the synthetic fiber. Like examples, nylon, acrylic, terylene, terrycotton, polyester, these all are the man-made fibers. First, we'll discuss about types of natural fiber. The natural fibers are of two types. Natural means nature. They are of two types. First is plant fiber and the second is the animal fiber. Plant fiber नाम से हमको पता पड़ रहा है वो fibers which we derive directly from the plants. So the fibers which are obtained from plants are known as plant fiber, like cotton, jute, flax, etc. Animal fiber, the fibers which are obtained directly from the animals are called animal fibers like silk, wool, etc. Now start with the plant fibers and animal fibers. You have to know where from they come. The common animal fiber are wool and silk. Wool is obtained from sheep, goat, yak, camel, alpaca, etc. And silk is obtained from silkworm. Silkworm की हम rearing करते हैं, and after the rearing we will get silk from the cocoons of the silkworm. तो silk हमको silkworm से मिलते हैं. Next are plant fibers. The common plant fibers are cotton and jute. Cotton is obtained from the flowers of the cotton plant. Cotton plant के जो flowers होते हैं, उनके जो birds होते हैं, उसके अंदर जो cotton होता है वो होता है. After the maturity of these birds we will get the cotton from the cotton plant. And jute fiber is obtained from the stem of the jute plant. jute plant का जो stem होता है, उसके जो flax होते हैं, उससे हमको jute मिलता है. jute का जो सबसे अच्छे एग्जाम्पल that is jute bag. जो weeds होते हैं वो jute bag के अंदर close होता है. तो jute bag in Hindi we can call the jute bags बोरी. तो these are the jute bags. So the common plant fibers are cotton and jute. Cotton is obtained from the flower of the cotton plants, and jute fiber is obtained from the stem of the jute plant. So these all are the common animal fibers and the plant fibers. In our next class, we'll discuss more about animal fibers, plant fibers, silkworms, and their rearings. Thank you, students. Be at home, stay at home, and keep studying at home. Bye.